difficult product that I believe is that when you are actually coming into the shoes of customers. And when I say that is when I'm talking about the experiences of the customers, when I'm bringing the personalized products on the market, it requires a big challenge for the marketers because every customer is dynamic, their mindset is diverse. You cannot run the entire market by the experience of single person. Like I'm doing a research in ethnocentric buying behavior. Ethnocentric is the feeling of patriotism. How can I identify the feeling of patriotism in every person whom I'm selling the product? Patriotism is one part, but empowering it on your mind is the single part. I am Indian, it's okay, but how many of us are really buying Indian products? And if I am buying Indian products, then Khadi must be on the number one position. But nobody is utilizing that. So for Indian customers, I think their mindset is majorly on towards price and on towards the quality. Lesser the price, better the quality. Challenging are all those products who are having personalized experience and they are focusing into the different dimensions.